Inquiry-based learning is applied, where students are guided to formulate their own research questions and design experiments to find answers, pushing students to generate multiple creative solutions and formulate critical thinking.
Sometimes I ask open-ended questions, or let students make their own sentence and short stories. It's wonderful to see their imagination grow and how proudly they share their ideas.
In my classroom, creativity, curiosity, and critical thinking aren't just aspirations. They spring to life when students wrestle with complex questions, dissect intricate case studies, and illuminate their insights through class discussions.
In economics, there's rarely one right answer, so I always emphasize on questioning and reasoning. I often ask students to analyze problems from different perspectives, government, a business, or a consumer, and justify their conclusions with evidence. This helps them develop curiosity and confidence in their own thinking.